the forum for my friends Khurram and Kashi. So Khurram, I will start with you. तो आप माशाल्लाह काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है AI में आप काम कर रहे हैं. So what do you use AI mostly as an entrepreneur and then other things, any case study or example that you could share with us, and what are the development that you've been doing it?
जी शुक्रिया खालिद भाई. आई थिंक इट वाज an excellent demo आपने जो शो किया था. It has so much potential as well. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Basically मेरी जो my whole understanding has been, or experience has been, that I've been deep into this AI prompt engineering as well. So I've already created a database and stack for more than 2,000 prompts, and I've been stacking onto it industry wise. मेरा जो कोर था, जैसा आपका टेक्निकल है, काशी भाई का सॉफ्टवेयर बेस होगा, आई थिंक मेरा जो कोर फोकस था, it was how we can make AI to use as more productive, basically, for my clients, for my business, for my agency, and anyone basically, in times of saving money, saving time, and improve content quality and enhance creativity. Basically, that was my core focus initially. There are a lot of more things that we can get into, but आज मैं थोड़ा सा high level पे ही रहूँगा. तो to give you an idea of that, जिस तरह AI होता है artificial intelligence, then there is a human intelligence. AI will grow as much as जितना human intelligence, जैसे खालिद भाई ने भी कहा, कि जितना उसको train करेंगे basically. So in any field, this is how ChatGPT will be going on, and at the moment there are 5 things they're using. Text to text, which is Grammarly use कर रहा है APIs के साथ. To answer Mohammed Anwar bhai's answer about AI, when you register with Open AI, आपको 3 से 5 each person, I think at the moment they allow you to create those API keys. So I would suggest that you guys be very quick to register at least 1 or 2 emails, क्योंकि they are looking to stop with the paid version as well, so they are quite slow.
Khurram, thanks. What do you mean by 1 to 2 emails? It means that using my 2-3 different email addresses, or
जी. For example, मैंने एक कंपनी का अकाउंट बनाया है,
समझ गया, ठीक है,
पर्सनल है. So I'm thinking,
so it's better to lock in your keys for your whatever
exactly.
your email addresses. Excellent.
जी.
Yeah,
So
okay.
they offer at least 3 to 5 at the moment each email. तो अगर आपके 2 email है, you get double. So it's just a little insight basically on free version. दूसरा ये था कि जो आप बात कर रहे थे एग्जाम्पल्स का भी, I'm part of the AI Wales का brainstorming session. उसमें जो आगे कंट्रीब्यूशंस हो रही है वो एजुकेशन में काफ़ी हो रही है. AI यूज़ कर रहा है एक बंदा, he is coming up with a startup in education AI. Basically his vision is to reduce the pressure on teachers and educators to at least 70%, जो कि टीचर्स ज़्यादा टाइम लगाते हैं रिपोर्ट्स बनाने में, लेक्चर्स प्लान करने में. So he's working on a complete model of reducing, and AI will be working on their behalf basically. So that's one of the example. Second is I've used it for my AI chatbot from my company and for my clients. So basically it's on a fun side. आप उसमें अपना डेटा लोड कर देते हैं with products, and any question that they have, it answers it and it prompts you to book appointments.
So I think that's very helpful. Are there some example library code or something, these type of few examples?
जी I will go through all the examples. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा बहुत high level का
वो high level देते हैं नहीं, important चीज होगी कि I really arrived at the certificate input. Just as a follow-up after this session, if you can provide to all of us, maybe you should create a separate WhatsApp group. Provide us some of these pointer link to these type of examples. You can go to a library or APIs, whatever those things. What you can think of very high level few things. I would appreciate that.
जी sure. अब मैं आपको examples दिखाना शुरू करता हूँ. For example, मैंने जो जैसा खालिद भाई ने कहा था about 5 चीज़ों के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे UK में एंटरप्रेन्योर बिजनेस एंड कंटेंट क्रिएशन में जो AI यूज़ हो रहा है, जिसमें टेक्स्ट टू टेक्स्ट है, टेक्स्ट टू पिक्चर है, टेक्स्ट टू वीडियो है, टेक्स्ट टू ऑडियो है, या ऑब्वियसली और जो खालिद साहब ने कहा जो ऑडियो एंड वीडियो मिक्स भी हो सकता है. नाउ अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल हाउ टेक्स्ट टू वीडियो आई हैव यूज्ड. My daughter, she's 10, she's British Pakistani Muslim girl, adventurous, and she's writing a small book about her magical adventure. Now this picture is being generated by AI. Now you can see the वो क्या कहते हैं, background of Muslim at the back. You can see her avatar as adventure. You can see British Pakistani mixed complex as well, and you can see that she's mixed between Tomb Raider and adventure girl. And this is what AI has done with just few lines of my prompt. She designed a graphic design, color coordination. Now I went into
how many prompts does that require? This is really impressive.
This was I done in a one paragraph prompt. I will go through
really?
prompts as well. I will go through this is what I'm saying. The future is going towards people will be hiring not AIs, but the ones who control the AI prompts, basically the ones who are the AI prompt engineers. So then I went on to, and I said, Hani is an intelligent girl from Cardiff, basically, and she's going through a secret door, and it designed the whole look and feel of this, traditional
Cardiff
door.
Castle.
G. And then a time machine it created. And these are just very simple things that I'm saying के text to image example.
अच्छा, तो ये सॉरी, पर जो आप टेक्स्ट टू इमेज एग्जांपल जो है ना, सॉरी, तो मैं दिखा सकता हूँ. जैसे आपने ये किया है ना, एक एग्जांपल जो इसने दिए, तो जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा था कोलैब लैब के अंदर एग्जांपल आजम साहब जी, तो उसके अंदर सिर्फ ये जो प्रॉम्प्ट जो खुर्रम बता रहे हैं ना, तो उसमें एक पैरामीटर जो प्रॉम्प्ट है जिसमें मैंने कहा था कि व्हाइट हैप्पी कैट, so that's the prompt he's referring. आप उसमें डालें and it is going to generate
That's the prompt. Yeah. I mean, I went into more detail because I wanted a bit more reality than I had the reality thing. I will explain in another example. So basically, this was one of the examples of how I've used it for personal use. Basically, that's text to image. Now, what we are doing is, let me show you the bigger picture. So basically, this is the complete agency database that we offer to our VIP clients. So as you can see, it's about March tak, it was about thousands से ऊपर platforms launch हो चुके हैं AI के, अब तो 2000 से ऊपर हो गए. Now what we done was we created a database with my team, and we thought, okay, different industries के हर एक की नीड्स डिफरेंट. अनवर साहब ने भी कहा हर एक की एक डिफरेंट नीड है, डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज हैं. किसी को कंटेंट क्रिएशन चाहिए, किसी को चैट बॉट टूल्स चाहिए. तो ये फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको मार्केटिंग सेल्स टूल चाहिए कि आजकल सेल्स ऑटोमेशन क्या चल रही है, दीज आर द टॉप 10 AI बेस्ड platforms already launched that we have used. For example, daily workplace tools जो मैं बात कर रहा था productivity के लिए, Notion AI. Notion is an excellent, I'm sure most of you guys use Notion. They have integrated AI in that.
These are all open source tools?
No, these are developed freemium kind of tools basically, but these are productivity tools in different things. So what we offer them is आप इनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ्री, ऑब्वियसली, टू टेस्ट इट आउट. अब खालिद साहब ने टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच की बात की थी. अब फ्यू ऑफ देम आई एम अर्ली इन्वेस्टर इन देम एज वेल. सो व्हेन दे लॉन्च्ड आई इन्वेस्टेड लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स अगो. तो अब वो काफ़ी डेवलप हो गए AI में. जिस तरह एक लिसनर है यहाँ पे जो पॉडकास्टिंग का है, रिजेंबल है. तो ये सारे दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ टूल्स. अब जो प्रॉम्प्ट्स की बात हो रही थी ना, these are the prompts. This is where the real skill of HI, which is human intelligence, comes with the AI, chat GPT कह लें, या आगे जितने भी AI based जो functions होंगे ना, you should be able to communicate with them. This is what is called prompt basically. So I've divided into, for example, जिस तरह था आपको Twitter की कोई वो लिखनी है, ideas चाहिए Twitter के ना, वो अब मेरा ये स्लो है लेकिन तो basically these are all the all you have to do is just type this in a chat GPT. I'm looking for Twitter thread idea with जो आपकी इंडस्ट्री है, जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, ideal customers जो read करेगा, subject, and it will give you, and you can write in, I normally tend to write top 5 ideas or trends. So we have actually tried most of these Twitter trends and they work. These are
these are very excellent the way you have described it, very amazing.
These are basically
are you going to be sharing this with us?
No, I will share some of it. Yeah.
This is good.
This is your proprietary. This is what you're developing.
Yeah, exactly. So I can share some of it depending on what industry or what is your need basically. Because kaiyon ko copywriting and not everyone needs it. But in content creation, copywriting is the most important thing. तो अब research करना है, blogging करनी है. This is one liner and this gives you a really good answer as well. Research. So you're not wasting time training your AI. It's already there basically. Email writing ये the perfect example थी. मैं आपको एक fun bit बताता हूँ. I've used this myself. And we spend a lot of time. तो मेरा भाई एक cousin है basically, मामू का बेटा. Just last week I was in London. So he's a business consultant in Lloyd's Bank. Promotion उसकी नहीं तो वैसी बातचीत हो रही थी तो कहते हैं खुर्रम भाई मेरा तो सारा दिन ईमेल लिखने में निकल जाता है. मैंने कहा तू अभी भी ईमेल लिख रहा है? Like he said yeah खुर्रम भाई, because he's from East London. So he's like खुर्रम भाई I have to think of every single line, be polite, मैंने कहा okay, what is your job? So he said I'm a business consultant for Lloyd's TSB and my email will be basically I'm sending onboarding email welcoming to new clients, asking them. मैंने कहा okay चल मुझे लिखने दे. तो मैंने वहीं पे बैठे it's on my mobile basically. तो मैंने उसको prompt लिखा business consultant, I want you to act as a business consultant for Lloyd's TSB Bank who will be welcoming business clients in opening an account. And these are the requirements to open and basically वो लिख दिया था. Believe me, उसने while I'm speaking to him, start typing the chat GPT. You know how cool it looks when it start creating the email. And he was bamboozled. He said, Khurram bhai, you just done it while you're speaking to me in 10 seconds. I said, yeah. He said, so I can do all that in 1 hour, the full week's work. So इतना उसको perfect example थी. एक business admin को उसका इतना काम हो तो उसको. This is what I was telling him, okay, go back to your banks. This is what they will be looking into. They won't be looking into admin and all those things, but they will be looking into consultants who can control the AI and productivity basically. So,
I'm sorry I have to interrupt you. So the time, just checking time. So I just think we're going to give some time to Kashi as well.
हाँ, मैं 3 examples और मेरे points थे. एक ये है कि Amazon, which is a huge thing in Pakistan. English is a huge problem. I think Pakistan में Amazon prompt AI बहुत use कर सकते हैं to list their products, to write the heading, to write the description of it, to write the emails and reply. This was the huge problem when we were talking about running the workshops in Swat, when we were running the workshops in Balochistan. They all had the huge problem कि अगर कल को खुदा they can sell it, but जब कोई problem होती they can't reply back in English or anything. This will be a huge thing if they integrate in Amazon, Etsy or anything like that. And we have used it ourselves for product description. This one example. Second example was a fun example. मेरी जो book है Amazon पे, I've created a little introduction about Khurram Khan and branding. तो आप जो भी उससे पूछे, it will search, जो खालिद भाई ने बात की थी, it will search my PDF book and it will answer you through that branding. So basically it's like Dr. Azam used to joke, how can we multiply? So basically it's like multiplying me and you speaking to me anytime through that chat bot basically. So that was a fun example. Inshallah I will work on last but not least, which is amazing. Last week I started working on for our outreach connections for any agency or any work. Is called one of the early investors again. It's a Silicon based company. उन्होंने क्या किया कि basically I create a video, small example introduction, welcome, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, या English में कह लो, welcome Yusuf Memsa. तो वो थैंक यू फॉर रीचिंग आउट टू अस। तो कोई भी मैं मैसेज करूँगा एंड देन जो भी मेरा डेटाबेस में नाम होगा it will be the same message, but अगर मेरे 100 different names हैं, जैसा यूसुफ हो गया, काशी हो गया, अनवर, खालिद, डॉक्टर आजम, सईदा, हसन, it will generate the text and the voice in my voice same and change the name. So I don't need to record 100 and it has done it in 50 seconds, 100 videos. And then send the email to each person accordingly. यूसुफ को यूसुफ का मैसेज गया ईमेल का with the video, काशी को काशी का जाएगा, and I've actually seen it, it done it. And so outreach automation was amazing, which takes weeks, is done it in an hour. So this is the huge thing which is from my side. Like I said, these are a lot of prompts. Facebook ad copy, अगर आपको Facebook की post बनानी है या ad कुछ करना है, I'm looking for a Facebook copy that will showcase the unique personality, ये वो सारा कुछ, and it will create copies. You always write top 3, give me 3 copies, so it will give you 3 different copies. I always
you create all these. This is the ones you created, or you?
Yeah. We created some. My team collected as well. I always add add the British humor. I always add that. So that takes it, that as the bit of a element, human element. So cultural element जो आप बात कर रहे थे, for example, someone is Balochi, Sindhi, Pathan, Bengali, you can add that as a prompt in the end, that add a bit of a, I always add a bit of a British humor, and then that takes the script to a different level. Covered that point. Yeah.